Hey guys, tonight I'm going to show you how to make golden milk. Now there's many different recipes for golden milk, but this is the recipe that I found most helpful with my anhedonia. For those of you that don't know what golden milk is, it's a drink that's extremely good for the brain, and the main ingredient is turmeric, and it's also really good for inflammation. Now, I drank golden milk before for 8 weeks straight, and the purpose of it was to help get rid of my anhedonia. And I went from not being able to taste food at all when I first started out to about 2 weeks in or so being able to taste the spices, to being done drinking it, and 2 days later I could fully taste food again. So I was extremely happy with that result. Now, I was doing my research afterwards, and unfortunately I did find an article that said that there could be a drug interaction between one of my medications and golden milk. So it kind of scared me a little bit to drink it again. But I did further research, and I found a very reputable website that says that there shouldn't be a drug interaction between those two things. So I'm hoping that there won't be, and I'm trying it again. The reason why I'm trying it again is because this is literally the only thing that has ever worked for my anhedonia that I've been able to find. And I really hope that this video is going to be helpful to at least one other person that suffers from anhedonia or even just inflammation. I hope that this is helpful for at least one other person. Alright, so here's how you make golden milk. First of all, obviously you're going to gather the ingredients. You're going to need some milk, turmeric. I'll just open this here so you can see it. It's just a bag of powdered turmeric or ground turmeric, ginger, and again that is ground or powdered ginger, some pepper, some liquid coconut oil, and some honey. Next you're going to need a pot and a measuring cup. The first thing you're going to do is take the milk and you're going to measure out approximately 1 cup. I usually do a little bit more than a cup because I find it fits in a mug better. I try to go to the line just above a cup. Now we're going to pour the milk into the pot. Next, you're going to need a teaspoon measuring spoon. It's kind of hard to see, but it's 1 teaspoon. You'll need 1/4 of a teaspoon measuring spoon, a large spoon or a tablespoon, and a butter knife. The next thing we're going to put in is the turmeric. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. You're going to take the 1 teaspoon measuring spoon and you're going to get some turmeric out. And then you're going to take the knife and I'm just going to scrape it across the top to make sure that I have a level amount of turmeric. I don't want a heaping teaspoon. Put that in with the milk. Oops. And as I put the turmeric in, I like to bang on the bottom of the cup with the knife just to make sure I get it all out. Next, we're going to add the ginger. So we're going to do the same thing again, except this time you're going to use the 1/4 of a teaspoon measuring spoon. Take some of the ginger and then scrape it off and put it in your drink. Whoops, I keep missing that part. Sorry guys. Next, you're going to add a pinch of pepper. So what I like to do is just open the container, grab a pinch of it, and put it in the drink. Next, you're going to put in the liquid coconut oil. So for this, I like to go as close to the pot as I can. Take your 1/4 of a teaspoon measuring spoon, put some oil in it, and put it in the pot. So I'm just going to mix this a little bit. Now the next thing you're going to need is a mug to put the drink in. I'm just going to set that aside for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the burner on. Now normally I only turn this up halfway, so I'm going to turn it up to 5, which is about halfway. And we're just going to heat it up until it's the right temperature. And you want to stir it occasionally. So you want to heat it up for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how warm you want it or how hot you want it. I like to drink mine hot, but not super, super hot. You want to make sure that you heat it up just to the right temperature without it coming to a boil, because if it comes to a boil, it's going to ruin the milk. It's almost warm enough for me. I'm going to leave that another minute. So it's been approximately 5 minutes. Like I said, about 6 minutes, so. All right, let's see how warm it is now. Yeah, that's a good temperature. Now you're going to turn off the burner. Take the pot off the burner and put it in the mug. I'm going to pour it in the mug. You got to do this slowly so that it doesn't go everywhere. Now you're going to go ahead and add honey to it. So you're going to grab your honey. And your 1 teaspoon measuring cup. Put some honey in the measuring cup. You want a full teaspoon. And then mix it in the drink. Now I find with the metal measuring cups, I just mix it in the drink like a normal spoon and it'll melt the honey off of it. So as you can see, it's all gone. Now all you have left is to drink it. It's a little hot, but that's okay. So that is the recipe that I use to make golden milk. I hope that this was helpful to at least one person. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!